This is an unboxing video for product LG-185. This is by Crimson Trace. It's a Taurus small frame polymer overmold front activation. I'm going to unbox it here for you to get a look at the product inside and see what you're getting. Here you have the owner's handbook, the installation handbook, here you can see that is well protected are the tools, the batteries, and the cleaning supplies for the product. And as you can see, comes well protected for shipping. Here you can see the CTC logo on both sides. Now open it so you can get a good look. Here's where your batteries go. Again, this is a Taurus small frame polymer overmold front activation